Gratitude goes beyond simply saying thanks. Have you ever paused to say thank you and really meant it? Gratitude is more than good manners. It's a mindset, a heart posture, a way of life. But too often, we overlook it. Life moves fast. Schedules, stress, endless scrolling, and we forget to appreciate the simple gifts already around us. Yet, something amazing happens when we slow down and notice the good. Gratitude shifts our focus. Instead of what's missing, we see what's present. Instead of what's wrong, we start to see what's right. And did you know? Science backs it up. Gratitude lights up the reward center in your brain, releasing dopamine, the feel-good chemical. It's like a smile for your soul. It also boosts your immune system, lowers stress, and helps you sleep better at night. Not bad for two little words. Thank you. But the real power of gratitude? It builds resilience. Grateful people are more equipped to handle life's storms. They bounce back stronger, not because life is easy, but because their perspective is anchored. And gratitude isn't just about what we feel, it's about what we share. Saying thank you, writing it down, telling someone how much they mean to you. These small acts strengthen relationships and deepen connection. So, how do we live a life of gratitude? Start a gratitude journal. 1 line a day is enough. Try a gratitude meditation, sit quietly, and reflect on what's good. And speak your thanks. Don't let kind thoughts go unspoken. Gratitude won't remove life's problems, but it will transform how we face them. You'll begin to find joy in ordinary moments. You'll see beauty in the waiting. And you'll walk through hard times with a grace you didn't know you had. The more you practice gratitude, the more it changes you. And the more it changes the world around you. Because when one heart is grateful, others catch on. Gratitude multiplies, it radiates, and it reflects the very heart of God. So today, friend, take a moment. Breathe. Notice. Give thanks. Gratitude is more than just a word. It's a way to live.